let me down.
Today what I have for you guys is yet another tutorial on the channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube logo for free using a software known as Pixlr. If this video does help you out, a like would be very much appreciated. Let's go for 200 likes. And as well as go ahead and hit the subscribe button for future tutorials and just various videos on the channel. Let me know what tutorial you guys would like to see next. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the first link in the description, and that will take you to this page right here. And click on create a new image, and we're going to make this 800 width and 800 height. And click on transparent, click OK. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and quickly press on this double screen button right here, just to give us a little more space to move around. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the text icon right here, click anywhere on the screen. And we're going to set the size to 130, the color to white, and whatever letter that your channel starts with you can use. Click OK. So as you can see, the letter is still really small, so to change the size you're going to have to rasterize this layer. So right click, rasterize layer. Before you do this though, make sure it's on the letter that you want to keep, because you won't be able to edit this afterwards. So go ahead and click on rasterize, and then from here click on edit, free transform. And from here we can change the scale. Remember, if you don't want to change the proportions of the letter, click and hold the shift button, or else it will change the proportions of the letter. So we're going to change it to just about there. And I'm actually going to make this a little skinnier because I think it looks better like that. And I'm going to rotate it just a tiny bit, just a tad bit over, right about there. Click yes, center it up. Just about, I would say about there. Now, for me personally, this does not look that professional right now with the lettering, so I'm going to go ahead and Google search polygon texture, and from here you can just search up different polygon textures to put on your lettering. So it doesn't matter what color these polygon textures are, you can always change that in Pixlr. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and from here you can just view image and go ahead and put it on your desktop. Go back to Pixlr, and we're going to go to layer, open image as layer, and if you save that image onto your desktop you can find it, so go ahead and open it up, and there it is right there. Based on how big this image is, I'm going to go ahead and click on edit and transform, and change the scale. Make sure you hold on the shift button so the proportions don't change, just like I said before. Make sure it goes all the way over this lettering. I'm going to go ahead and actually tilt it a little bit, make it a tiny bit bigger so it's all over the lettering, and click yes. Now this is going to be a little tricky, just make sure you listen and follow the instructions. Click on the letter or whatever layer your text is on, go ahead and click on the magic wand button, and click pretty much on where the letter you think is. Right click, invert selection, go back to layer, whatever layer your polygon texture is on, and then click delete. And there it is right there. So now your lettering, and I'm just going to click on this lasso tool just to get out of that double click. And so from here, obviously your lettering looks a lot better. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the A layer right here, wherever your text was originally. Go back to your polygon texture, right click, go to layer styles, and I'm going to set an outer glow of 100 opacity, 10 hardness, and 10 size, and a color of white. Click OK, and then click OK again. So there's your lettering right there. Now, if you want to change the color, like I haven't said this before, if you want to change the color of the polygon texture, you can go to Adjustment, Hue and Saturation, and from here you can change the saturation, so you can change the different colors. So if you want a green logo or a blue logo, or like I had before, this logo, you can do so whatever color you want. So from here I'm going to go back to Google and type in space backgrounds, and you can choose whatever you want to. Just try to find something that you enjoy. And I scroll all the way down to this one right here. And like I said before, it doesn't matter what color it is because you can change that in Pixlr. So I'm going to use this background right here, download it onto my desktop, and then go back to Pixlr, click on Layer, open Image as Layer, and then I'm going to open up that image right here. And there it is right here. It's obviously way too big. So I'm going to go to Edit, Retransform, change the size of it to just about where it covers up the screen. So pretty much about right there. So I think this looks pretty good right there. Yes. So from here, I'm going to move this layer below the other one. So I'm going to hold and drag it below the text layer. There we are. And to change the back, I'm going to change a couple of changes right here. I'm going to go to Adjust, Hue and Saturation. I'm going to change the saturation where it's a little more saturated, so probably about 30. Change the lightness to about -20, I would say, or 25. And from here, if you want to, you can change the hue. I'm just going to keep it probably bluish, but if you want, you can change it to purple. For me, I don't know, I'm kind of thinking maybe it might look cooler if I did purple. So I think I'm going to change it to purple, just about there. And I might go to brightness and contrast, and change the brightness just a little lower right here, and change the contrast to -25, brightness probably -20 or so. I think that looks good about right there. And like I said before, I'm going to go back to the text layer right here, go to Adjustment, Hue and Saturation. So we're actually going to change the saturation of this one to probably about 15. Pretty much purple right here. So I think I'm going to make it like that. And I think that looks pretty cool right there. So I'm going to make a couple more little effects to make this a little better. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new layer. So right about here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the rectangle tool right here. Make sure it's on rectangle. And click and drag. And we're going to do this on all the sides right here. You can pretty much eyeball it. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure the rectangles look fairly similar. And once you have all four sides done, go to Filter, Propagation Blur, and we're going to blur this to just about 130 or so, maybe 140. Click OK. So from here, I'm going to make one more little minor change. I'm going to go to the background layer right here that we have, and I'm going to go to Filter, and I'm going to do Propagation Blur. And I'm going to do a blur of probably about 10. And that kind of changes it and makes the lettering pop out more. I might do 15 actually. And I think that makes the lettering pop out more and makes it look a lot better. So I don't know about you guys, but I think this is my finished product file. Save. And we're going to save it as a JPEG. Up the quality all the way to 100. That's very important. Click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and save it onto my desktop and save it. And we're going to back out of both of these windows. Make sure it's right here. There's the logo right there. So I hope you guys did enjoy the tutorial. If you did, be sure to drop a like.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.